Are Joann Fabrics stores closing for good? If you're a fan of crafting, sewing, or DIY projects, you might have heard some concerning rumors about Joann Fabrics shutting down. But is it really happening, or is there more to the story? Stay with me as we dive into the truth behind Joann Fabrics store closures and what it means for shoppers like you. Background on Joann Fabrics. Joann Fabrics has been a staple in the crafting world for decades. Known for its wide range of fabrics, sewing supplies, and home decor essentials, the company has built a loyal customer base. But with the retail landscape changing, many big box stores have struggled to stay afloat. So, is Joann Fabrics the next major chain to shut its doors? Are stores really closing? The short answer is yes, but not all of them. Joann Fabrics has announced that some stores will be closing due to underperformance and rising operational costs. However, this doesn't mean the company is going out of business entirely. Instead, Joann is making strategic decisions to streamline its operations and focus on profitable locations. Why are some Joann Fabrics stores closing? Several factors have contributed to these store closures. Retail challenges. Like many brick-and-mortar stores, Joann has faced competition from online shopping and big retailers like Amazon and Walmart. Economic factors. Rising rent, inflation, and supply chain disruptions have increased costs for the company. Shifting shopping trends. More customers are shopping online, reducing foot traffic in physical stores. Despite these challenges, Joann Fabrics continues to operate many locations and is even investing in its online shopping experience to adapt to changing consumer habits. What does this mean for shoppers? If you love shopping at Joann Fabrics, don't panic. While some stores are closing, others will remain open. Plus, Joann is focusing on improving its digital presence, offering better deals, and making shopping more convenient. If your local store is closing, check their website for ongoing discounts and clearance sales. Joann Fabrics isn't disappearing, but like many retailers, it's making changes to survive in a competitive market. So, before believing all the rumors, stay updated through official sources and keep an eye on your favorite locations. What do you think about Joann Fabrics store closures? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on important updates.